The Rimac Nevera is a groundbreaking electric hypercar that has redefined the limits of automotive performance. But what if I tell you that there is an even faster and more brutal Nevera? At an event in California, Rimac presented a new Nevera called Nevera R. This Nevera is designed as the aggressive alter ego of the Nevera and represents the transition from a hyper GT car to a hyper sports car. As its name suggests, the development of Nevera R follows the philosophy of the Rimac brand: radical, rebellious, relentless. A large fixed rear wing combined with aggressive aerodynamic elements which include a new large diffuser increases downforce by 15% and aerodynamic efficiency by 10% compared to the regular Nevera. Thanks to all the improvements, the Nevera R is able to defy the laws of physics like never before. Every single element of the car, crafted in accordance with the performance-oriented design philosophy, is designed to bring agility and better handling. The Nevera R brings improved performance and an even greater emphasis on driver feedback. Thanks to the new generation Rimac all-wheel torque vectoring system, which has been retuned to maximize the potential of the high-performance tires, the new car provides sharper, tighter cornering. RAWTV system capabilities have been added to the traction control system, which ensures predictability even in wet road conditions. The drift driving mode has been adapted to the new tires, while the steering system has been refined for sharper response and clearer feedback to the driver. The car comes equipped with a new generation Rimac technology battery system of 108 kilowatt-hours and uses the latest technology to provide more power and efficiency in a new and lighter package. In addition, with 2,107 horsepower, the Nevera R brings even better performance than the previous Nevera, reaching a speed of up to 300 kilometers per hour in 8.66 seconds. The new EVO2 carbon ceramic brakes with a silicon matrix layer increase stopping performance and improve cooling and endurance in use. Check this insane Rimac Nevera R figures. The Nevera R is premiered in a color called Nebula Green. In the interior, which is focused on the driver and highly customizable, new color and individualization options have been added according to the customer's wishes. The color on the carbon elements, such as the basic structure of the dashboard and the decoration on the center console, can be identical to the color of the exterior or changed according to the wishes of the customer. The number of produced Nevera R cars will be limited to up to 40 units, and the starting price is gigantic, 2.3 million euros. With such a small and exclusive number of Nevera R, unfortunately, we will hardly have the opportunity to see it often on the streets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.